Hi, my name's Toby, and one workshop that I often deliver with my clients is on how to powerfully communicate a difficult message. And what's interesting for me is something we explore is what we call the sandwich feedback model. Now, this can be effective, but it can also be a disaster. And for me, it's the difference between sugarcoating a difficult message and providing the necessary context to a difficult message. So, for example, if I talk about sugarcoating, imagine I'm sending an email and I say, I hope you're having a fantastic week. I just want to let you know that your product is delayed. That first sentence is clearly sugarcoating and probably will add fuel to the fire. And by that I mean will make the client or the potential client even angrier. But actually, when used well, I think that communicating a difficult message can be aided and supported by this sandwich feedback model when you provide the necessary context. For example, I might say, listen, overall, I've been really happy with your performance. I think you've delivered a fantastic service to clients over the last 6 months. I have seen a few typos creep into some of your English communications, so I'd be really grateful if you could just work on, double checking your emails before you send them out. But overall, I just want you to know that I think you're really you're really delivering against your objectives. Now that second example, that is sandwich feedback. I'm sort of going positive, negative, positive. But I think crucially, the bread that I add to that sandwich, it's real. It really reflects my perception of the person I'm working with. And that they get that the feedback I'm giving them is part of an overall positive picture. And that's what I call contextualizing. So it is a useful structure. Definitely avoid the sugarcoating. But in terms of communicating difficult messages, I think it's a really good technique to think about and reflect on, particularly when you're communicating externally. I hope that's helpful, and I wish you a very good week. See you then. Bye-bye.